Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali, and for those of you that are not subscribed to my channel yet, why not? So if you like the videos that you like here on my channel, please consider subscribing. You know, I post a lot of videos, well, not a lot of videos. I wouldn't say a lot, but I do post videos, unboxings, and I try to do different things. So don't forget to go ahead and subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. So now let's get into what we're here, why we're here, or what we're here for. One of the two. We have the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, yes, Plus, for the month of June. And for those of you that do not know about this box here, this one is $25 a month. You get 5 to 6 or 4 to 5 full-size items and a makeup or a cosmetic bag. Each month, the cosmetic bag is different, and they have had pretty cute things in the past months. So let's just go in and see what we got for this month. So, like I mentioned with my other Ipsy Glam Bag, they used to give us these little papers with product information, full-size prices, but they don't anymore for some reason. But I'll go ahead and add them in along with the total box value at the end of the video. So let's just go in, and I'm gonna, we have something from Plush. I'm gonna go ahead and start with this first one here. Like I said, we have something from Plush, and this is the Flesh to Flesh highlighting powder in the shade Jump. So I love their packaging. I love how simple it is. And I personally really like both of these colors, especially together. I really like this like dark brown kind of color and then the pink. Now put together, I think that it gives it a really nice, like simple but fun look. And so, oh, that's a pretty color. So we, like I mentioned, we have a highlighter. We have it in the shade Jump, which is just a champagne color. Let me see. Ooh, that's really soft. It does say on the packaging back here, it says, run your finger over this powder. Can you believe how soft? It contains coconut and sunflower seed oils, plus pomegranate and ginger root extracts. And yes, it feels super duper soft. And it's a really pretty color. It's not like super like in your face highlighter, but it's a really, really pretty one. I really like this color. When you put it on, it gives it more of that goldeny tone than what it looks like on the pen, but it's really, really pretty. So that is our first item. Second one here, it is from Ciate London. It is the Marbled Metals Metallic Glitter Eyeshadow. Ooh, I like glitter and I like eyeshadow. Let's see what color we have here. So this one, it is in the shade, I think it's Wicked. I think this is the shade Wicked. And let's see. Ooh, I'm always afraid when they come with this like little press thingy. I'm always afraid that it's gonna fall out. But this is what it looks like inside. It is marbled. It does say it is marbled metallics, and this one has dark purples and silvers. So, ooh. Okay, so that is what it looks like on my finger. It's mixed in. Like both of the colors are, oh, that is nice. It probably won't transfer on the camera how beautiful that looks. Oh my God. So once I swatched it, it looks like I have a base of that dark purple and then that silver on top. It kind of gives it a reflection of like a green, bluish kind of color. It's really pretty. I really like this one. I did not think it was gonna be that pretty. Oh my God, it's really, really pretty. So I'm gonna put it back in here before I drop it, and then it goes all over the place, and then I'm gonna cry because I really like this color. I'm gonna go back in and then see, we have something from Nacific Fresh Herb Origin Eye Cream with Calendula. So that is really pretty packaging. It does look like nice, soft, natural kind of, packaging. This is a really big eye cream. Normally they're not this big. But it just, yeah, it says with niacinamide, I don't know, hyaluronic acid, and indisosinosin. This lightweight, airy eye cream hydrates the eye and helps reduce the appearance of dark circles, puffiness, and signs of aging. I don't know what the other words were. I could only read hyaluronic acid, but that's what this one has, and that's what it does. So I don't know why this one's so big. Normally, eye creams are not this big. Oh, wow. We have a lot of sheet masks in here. It looks like we have 6, and this is from Wake Pure She's So Calming Mask. And I'm assuming, or I probably shouldn't assume, it's just in a different language in the back that I cannot understand. It just says Wake Pure Avocado Nourishing Mask. I know avocado is really good. I know the avocado oil is really good for your skin. So this one is just a regular sheet mask, and we do get 6. And it does say it's illuminating, nourishing, and moisturizing. So not much to the sheet masks, you know, your typical sheet mask. And then we are down to our last item. We have something else here. Oh, I thought this was gonna be from Fresh because it has the same like color scheme, but this is actually in Spanish. So this says Araceli, and then in the back says Ojos Perfectos Liquid Eyeliner, and ooh, the shade Coffee or Café. It has the same colors, just like I was telling you guys with Flesh. It has the same brown and pink kind of color scheme. So when I first saw it, I thought this was from Flesh, but it's not. It's from Araceli. And oh, it's a liquid liner. It is a felt tip pen, and I actually do not have one of these. Oh, that is a pretty brown. Like, that's a really nice brown color. I have been wanting a brown eyeliner forever. Now I have it. So with this one here being our last item. Oh, this is the bag. So, okay, well, so that was the last item from the box, and we are now just left with the bag, which I am very disappointed because it looks just like the one from the Glam Bag does, just a different color. What they had been doing with the bags is they would give them like a different shape, different size, and you know, each box or each subscription had something different, but this one is the exact same thing, just a different color. That is disappointing. So this one here is the last item. Here is the total box value. I think I got some pretty cool items this time around. We got like a ton of sheet masks. Like, how many sheet masks do you need? But that's, you know, you always use them, so that's good. I think this one here, the Ciate London eyeshadow, is my favorite. I have not seen an eyeshadow like this. I just really like it, and I really wanted a brown eyeliner. So those were all the items from the box. So that means I am all done here. I will be back with another video really soon, and I hope I will see all of you guys back here next time. Bye.